Glass Warehouse, measuring your shower door opening. To properly measure your shower door opening, ensure that all walls are fully finished with tile, acrylic, or another finished material before you begin. Start by measuring the width of the opening at the top. Next, take a second measurement across the middle of the opening. Finally, measure the width at the bottom. Use a carpenter's level to check that all sides are straight and aligned, both vertically and horizontally. After checking all three sides with the levels and confirming your measurements being less than half an inch difference, then your walls are sufficiently plumb and you're good to go. If the measurements differ by half an inch or more, your walls are not plumb, and you should contact technical support to find an available option that suits your opening. Glass Warehouse shower doors are designed with adjustability top of mind to fit a wide range of shower enclosure configurations. You are now ready to choose the perfect shower door for your needs. Glass Warehouse, premium quality and design without the custom price.